Hey everyone, today we're going to look at a zone time of LAN problem. This problem can be found from start to finish with all the work shown already on the channel. That'll be linked down below. Step one is to write your givens. I always like to write my givens. I like to take the pertinent information from the problem and write it down so it's all grouped together for an easy viewing process. Step two is to find your meridian passage time for the given day. Our given day is January 24th. To find the meridian passage time, at the bottom of your nautical almanac on the right hand side, you'll see day 22, 23, 24. That's the days of the month. Go over 3 columns to your mer.pass. That's your meridian passage time of 12:12. Step 3 is to find a difference in your zone time DR and your meridian passage time. Our zone time DR is 0700. Our meridian passage time is 12:12 for a difference in 5 hours and 12 minutes. That's our time. Step 4 is to calculate the distance using your speed given and your solve time. So simple distance equals speed times time formula. Distance equals 12 knots given in the problem times 5 hours and 12 minutes, which we just solved for a distance of 62.4 nautical miles. Step 5 is using the sailing formulas. You can find these in Bowditch Volume 2. Find your latitude 2 and your longitude 2. So L equals D times cosine C, P equals D times cosine C, and D low, your difference in longitude, equals P divided by cosine L. So our first formula, we find 21.3 minutes is our difference in latitude. In this initial given, step 1, I like to draw the direction of our course. We're getting further south and further east. So we'll subtract that from latitude 1 to find our latitude 2 of 22 degrees, 03.7 minutes. We'll solve for our P equals 62.4 nautical miles times cosine of 110. That gives us a P of 58.6. And then we have the last entering argument to our D low formula. D low equals P divided by cosine L. D low equals 58.6 divided by cosine 22 degrees, 03.7, our latitude 2. For a difference in longitude of 1 degree, 03.3 minutes. And we are moving further east, as I mentioned before, so 46 degrees 10 minutes west minus the difference in longitude 1 degree 03.3 minutes gives us a longitude 2 of 45 degrees 06.7. So now we have everything we need to go into actually solving the problem. Step number 6 is in your nautical almanac, find the next lower GHA from the longitude 2 that you just solved for and subtract that from longitude 2 and denote the hour of GHA that you're taking from. So if we go to our nautical almanac on the 24th of January, we're looking for the number that's directly under or next lower to the longitude we just found. We found our longitude to be 45 degrees 06.7 minutes. The next lower is 41 degrees 57.2. So we take 41 degrees 57.2 and denote the hour directly to the left of that, 15 hours, or the 15th hour, and we'll note that below. So 45 degrees 06.7 minus our next lower, 41 degrees 57.2, gives us a difference of 3 degrees 09.5. I draw this little box to the left. This is where I denote the hour. So 15 here. That is step number 6. Step number 7 is to divide your difference, the difference we just found, by 15 and apply that hour that we just denoted in the previous step. So 3 degrees 9.5 minutes divided by 15 gives us 12 minutes 38 seconds. Then we add the hour. So once we finish step 7, we get 15 degrees 12 minutes 38 seconds. Now we simply go from GMT to zone time via our zone description. Our zone description is our longitude 2 divided by 15 and rounded. So 45 degrees 06.7 divided by 15 gives us a zone description of 3. When going from GMT to zone time, you flip your sign. 15, 12, 38 minus 3 hours gives us 12, 12, 38. We look up, our answer choice is C. If you follow this progression, you will not get one of these problems wrong. The one thing that I do want to add is if we are in east longitude, before step number 6, you will subtract your longitude from 360 and then follow step 6. If this was 45 degrees 06.7 east, I would do 360 divided by 45 degrees 06.7, and then find the next lower GHA. From that, then denote that hour, and then follow the steps as we have them written on the left-hand side.